News from aviation space, where suffering COVID-19 blues. Singapore Airlines, it owns a significant stake in India's Vistara. Also now it has posted its second consecutive annual loss that widened to a record $3.2 billion. Airline would also issue 6.2 billion Singapore dollar worth of convertible bonds to help weather COVID-19 crisis. The loss for the 12 months ended March 31st was worse than the loss forecast by analysts. The annual loss was also far bigger than 212 Singapore million dollar, in fact, annual loss in the prior financial year. Its first ever dip into the red when only one quarter was affected by the pandemic. Annual revenue was down 76% to Singapore $3.8 billion in the financial year ended March 31st, with strong cargo revenues not enough to offset an almost 98% fall in passenger numbers. The airline said it expected passenger capacity to rise to 28% of pre-pandemic levels by June, but much of that is due to strong freight demand sustaining number of flights. A proposed travel bubble between Singapore and Hong Kong, it had been due to start on May 26, but it was postponed for second time on Monday after a recent rise in COVID-19 cases numbers in Singapore. Like other carriers globally, Singapore Airlines has cut jobs, deferred aircraft deliveries and raised equity and debt financing to help get it through the pandemic. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.